In this video, we'll delve into the art of indentation and explore advanced techniques to make your documents even more polished and visually appealing. We'll cover three important sections, including indenting paragraphs, creating nested lists, and applying indentation to specific sections. So now let's dive right in. Our first section is indenting paragraphs. Indenting text is not just about creating structure, it's about enhancing readability and making your document stand out. So let's go to our Google Docs. There's a lot of ways wherein we can indent our paragraphs. I'll just show you the easiest one. So in our first paragraph here, we'll make this first line indented. So let's just select this first paragraph and on our keyboard, just select tab. And there you have it. Our first paragraph is already indented.
Wow.
But what if we want our paragraphs to be indented? By doing that, let's just select these 4 paragraphs. Then, let's head to our format menu. Then, the align and indent. And then, click the indentation options. In our special indent, let's select first line. Then 0.5, that's good. Then, click apply. And there you have it. Our 4 paragraphs are indented already. Creating nested lists. Nested lists are a powerful way to organize information hierarchically. So let's get back to our Google Docs, and I have a list here of few phrases or few lines of text, and we'll make this a nested list. So let's select these few lines, these lines of text. Then let's go to our toolbar section and click numbered list. Then now it is in numbered list. And then what if I want this under the number 1? Just go to our first letter here in number 2, and in our keyboard, just select tab. And there you have it. And let's select the next line. If you want this line to be under the letter A, we can also do that by simply clicking the tab in our toolbar and add another tab. So yeah, that's it.
Wow.
And we can also select multiple lines for nesting this list. We could select this, then click the tab, another tab, and also tab. And we can also get that back by simply clicking Shift plus Tab. Okay? Apply indentation to specific sections. Sometimes you may want to apply indentation to specific sections of your document, such as block quotes or excerpts. So for our example here, we have a lot of paragraphs here, but there are block quotes here. As you can see here, you have a paragraph 5, and here is a paragraph 7. We could indent that by selecting this paragraph, and in our toolbar section, let's click this increase indent. By decreasing it, we can click this decrease indent option. There's another way. Let's try it here in our paragraph 7. In our keyboard, let's click the control plus the closing square brackets. And if you want that to get back, just simply press the control plus opening square brackets.
Wow.
That's it. Congratulations! You've learned advanced indentation techniques in Google Docs. By utilizing these methods, you can enhance the structure, readability, and professionalism of your documents. Remember to experiment with different styles and find what works best for your content. Thank you for watching this comprehensive tutorial on advanced indentation techniques in Google Docs. If you found it valuable, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Google Docs tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy document creation!